What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to customize the Smash Balloon Facebook social feed or timeline that we did learn how to embed on our WordPress website for free into the previous video that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here. So we did finish the last video right here, okay? We did embed our Facebook page into our WordPress website for free without problems. It was really simple. Follow the video to check it out. And now we're gonna learn how to customize this, because you can apply this shortcut on our site footer, on our blog sidebar, for example, to enlarge your social media engagement and to share on your site your social updates, okay? So before I can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on your favor, okay? So take a moment to do this and be part of the Visual Modo family, okay? And after this made, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, click on Facebook feed. If you do not see this feed on your site, once again, check the last video that we did learn how to install and set up the Smash Balloon social feed. But if you already made it, you're gonna be able to see this feed. You're gonna see all the feeds you have created. In my case, I just have created one, so the Visual Modo timeline feed. And here is the feed. Exactly this one displayed on this page, okay? Into the live site. And what we can do, okay? These first two options are only to present pro features that you do not have into the free version of the plugin, so ignore these two ones, okay? We're gonna keep all for free, so go to the feed layout. We can change from masonry. So what is this? Let me save. As you can see now, the posts are displayed into a grid and no longer into a list style with a single column, just like it is on the Facebook page, okay? We can change the height. We can change the amount of posts into desktop and into mobile, okay? In the case that you want to change, for example, 5 posts. And the amount of columns, okay? You can change, for example, to have only 2 columns. And on tablet, you can set to have 1 column, 2, 3. Same process for mobile, okay? So I think 3 for desktop, 2 for tablets, and 1 for mobile. It's okay for me, okay? In the case that you like the masonry layout. What else we can do? Let's go back to the customize right here. Color scheme, okay? Right here, we can use from the theme, a light color style, and my favorite one, that is the dark color style. I really like the dark background, so I would like to use this one, okay? And you can set a custom one that you can select all of the colors of every single part of the plugin, okay? This is up to you, okay? They have a pre-built layouts for light and dark, and if you choose custom, you're gonna be able to customize the background colors, the link colors, and every single color of this. What else we can do? Into the header, we can use the visual, that is this, showing the page cover image, the page logo type, and the text. That's just gonna show Facebook posts. Simple, right? Some persons prefer this one. I like the visual. Now, text size, okay, the title text. So we can increase the size of the title in the case that you want. For example, we can change the color of the title in the case that you want. For example, we can change the bio text size in the case that you want, and the bio text color as well. Now, cover photo, we can decrease the size of the photo, and we can increase the size of the photo, okay, the height. What else? Name and avatar, we can remove or add. About bio and likes, we can remove or add. Display outsides, scrollable area, okay. And what else we can do? Let's go back to the customize, and now into the posts. We can change the posts style from regular to boxed. I personally prefer the boxed style. I think it looks better, okay? Now we can change the background and the border radius. You can change the borders, okay? to create this nice layout like this. Okay? What else? Lightbox. This is important, okay? The Lightbox. We can remove the cover photo, change the widget. We can change to be small in the case of large. We can remove this in the case that you do not want the Lightbox. I would like to keep this enabled. Custom CTA, okay? So in the case that you want to customize the button, the call to action, okay? Show fans, display outside, we can change this from the bottom to the top position. Let me go back to the large sizes, and here is this section right here, okay? Let's go back to the customize. What else we can do? Load more button. This is a pro feature, okay? So you do not have for free, so let's ignore this. Have no needs for it. And the Lightbox, that is another pro feature, okay? But for free, we can customize a lot of things. We can use some sources in the case that you want. We can filter, okay? There is some advanced settings, okay, to use the API, to the pagination method, but for free you can customize a lot of things. You can use these buttons right here into the upper right corner to reveal the page and how this gonna look on mobile, on tablet, and on desktop. And when you have finished your edits, click the save button and let's review the results into the live site. And here are the results we got. We have our social feed perfectly working into our WordPress website. Simple, easy, effective, free, and fully customizable, even into the free version, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools for build up your site using Elementor or Block Editor, the old Gutenberg, okay? And in the case that you are in needs of the best free WordPress theme that you can download on your site to have amazing customization options for menus, footer, sliders, fonts, and many more options, like even pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzo WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. Moreover, in the case that you want to go premium in order to save your time, count on our full support, premium icon packs, premium assets for design your site, access to our template library or full template library, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass that includes the Enzo Pro and the Borderless Pro licenses, and go premium. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!